Hi, welcome to our Deep Learning Solutions by Dr. P.K.S. Prakash and Achachuni Sirikrishna Rao, a video course by Pack Publishing. I am Andy Leonard, and I will be the presenter for this course. Dr. P.K.S. Prakash is a data scientist and an author. He obtained a Ph.D. in Industrial and System Engineering from Wisconsin-Madison, U.S. He defended his second Ph.D. in Engineering from University of Warwick, UK. His educational background also includes a master's degree from the University of Wisconsin-Madison, U.S., and a bachelor's degree from the National Institute of Foundry and Forge Technology, NIFFT, India. He is the co-founder of Warwick Analytics, which is based on his Ph.D. work from the University of Warwick, UK. He is working as a data science manager at ZS Associates. Achachuni Sirikrishna Rao is a data scientist, a civil engineer, and an author. His background includes a master's degree in enterprise business analytics and machine learning from National University of Singapore, Singapore. His educational background also includes a bachelor's degree from National Institute of Technology, Warangal, India. He works as a data science consultant at ZS Associates. Deep learning is the next big thing. It is a part of machine learning. Let's see what we've got in store to master intricacies of our deep learning. We begin with Section 1, getting started with deep learning, introducing different packages that are available for building deep learning modules such as TensorFlow. The next section, Deep Learning with R, introduces the basics of neural network and deep learning. This section covers multiple solutions for building a neural network models using multiple toolboxes in R. Section 3, Convolution Neural Network, covers solutions on convolution neural networks through applications in image processing and classification. Fourth section, Data Representation using Autoencoders, builds the foundation of autoencoder using multiple solutions and also covers the application in data compression and denoising. The next section, Generative Models in Deep Learning, extends the concepts of autoencoders to generative models and covers Boltzmann machines, restricted Boltzmann machines, and deep belief networks. Later, Recurrent Neural Networks sets up the foundation for building machine learning model on sequential data sets using multiple recurrent neural networks. Section 7, Reinforcement Learning, provides the fundamentals for building reinforcement learning using Markov decision process and covers both model-based learning and model-free learning. And the final section, Application of Deep Learning in Text Mining, provides an end-to-end implementation of the deep learning text mining domain. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin this journey.